Hello everyone. I hope you all guys will be fine. Did you know that can we make a delicious banana cake? Just from few eggs and bananas. So yeah, it's possible in Delicious Kitchen. So without wasting the time, let's start the recipe. First of all, take few bananas, then remove its skin, and add them in the grinder. Now add 2 eggs in the grinder. Now beat it well. Add 1 cup sugar in it. Now beat it well. Half cup vegetable oil. Now pour it in a bowl. Add 1 cup flour and 1 tablespoon baking powder. And then strain it well. Now mix it well. Take a mold and grease it well. Then cover it with butter paper. Now add chocolate pieces over the mixture. I'm making 2 kinds of cakes. One is simple banana cake, and the other one is chocolate banana cake. Now mix the mixture well. Now pour it in the mold. When it is baked, then put it out from mold. And pour it in any plate. Now remove the butter paper. Now, finally it is ready to eat. This one is simple banana cake. If you enjoy this recipe, so must like and share this video. And subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. And this one is chocolate banana cake. So I hope you will be enjoyed this amazing recipe. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. So it is time to go now. Allah Hafiz, guys.